Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add another account in Microsoft Teams. To add another account in Microsoft Teams, start by opening the app and clicking your profile picture in the top right corner, where you may see an option to manage or switch accounts depending on your version. In some builds, you can directly select Add another account, which lets you sign in using a different email, phone number, or Skype link Microsoft account, and then follow the prompts to complete sign in or create a new account if needed. If you don't see the option there, go to Settings and More, then open Settings and navigate to Accounts and Orgs, where you can manage existing sign-ins and add additional organization or accounts. After adding the new account, Teams may allow quick switching between profiles without needing to sign out each time, especially in newer versions. This process is similar on both desktop and web versions, though the layout may vary slightly depending on updates. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.